Nigeria is in dire need of industrialization despite the number of mechanical engineers and other engineering professionals shunned out of the nation's institutions in torrents of batches. Experts in the field of mechanical engineering attribute the gaps to theory-based learning that is not put to practice or implementation.
The gap that we actually have in the profession as of now is because we are not research-oriented in the fact that we do research and we leave it, abandon it, littering the whole campuses. After we have done the research, we should try to see how we can commercialize it and make it useful for the society that we represent.
We discovered that having a grounded mechanical engineers has always been a problem with us these days. So I want to see the possibility of how we can see and then bring in one of the best from all schools, how mechanical engineers can go into the labor market and then perform properly.
This training for senior and practicing mechanical engineers, as well as undergraduates in this field, is to build the capacity to transform classroom knowledge into innovative solutions. This is against the background that the production chain globally is becoming increasingly automated.
We are building up their skills. We want to be able to work more in additive manufacturing to ensure that the students and fresh graduates, they turn their innovative ideas into products and services that have both a social and economic impact.
We're also thinking about building other hubs where students can come and try their hands and build the competencies they require to get into the wider world. Hubs that would also spur creativity, inventiveness, and also help them to become technopreneurs, that will be creators of jobs and not seekers of, creators of wealth, employers of labor and not seekers of job.
Ultimately, the training program, which continues in phases, hopes to not only bridge the skills gap in the profession, but serve as a mentoring hub for mechanical engineers to enhance their competitive advantage in the field.